Enhancing your trading skills with price action analysis. Introduction. Price action analysis is a powerful trading technique that allows traders to make informed decisions based on the movement of price alone, without relying on lagging indicators. By studying and interpreting price patterns, candlestick formations, and support and resistance levels, traders can gain valuable insights into market dynamics and improve their trading skills. In this text, we will explore the concept of price action analysis and discuss how it can be effectively used to enhance trading skills. Understanding price action. Price action refers to the movement of price on a trading chart. Price action analysis involves studying patterns and formations created by price movements to make trading decisions. It focuses on understanding market sentiment, supply and demand dynamics, and the interaction between buyers and sellers. Candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns are a crucial component of price action analysis. By studying the shapes and formations of candlesticks, intermediate traders can gain insights into market psychology and potential trend reversals. Common candlestick patterns include doji, engulfing patterns, hammer, shooting star, and many more. Each pattern provides valuable information about the balance between buyers and sellers and can indicate potential trading opportunities. Support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are key areas on a price chart where buying or selling pressure is expected to be significant. These levels are created by previous price reactions and can act as barriers to further price movement. Intermediate traders can identify support and resistance levels by analyzing swing highs and swing lows on the chart. Understanding these levels helps traders anticipate potential price bounces, breakouts, or trend reversals. Trend analysis. Price action analysis allows traders to identify and analyze trends in the market. By observing higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend, intermediate traders can determine the prevailing direction of the market. Trend analysis helps traders make informed decisions about the timing of their trades, including potential entry and exit points. Price patterns. Price patterns are recurring formations that provide insights into future price movements. These patterns can be as simple as trend lines or more complex formations like triangles, flags, or head and shoulders patterns. Intermediate traders can use these patterns to identify potential trend continuations or reversals and to determine optimal entry and exit points for their trades. Risk management and price action. Price action analysis is not only about identifying trading opportunities but also about managing risk effectively. By studying price patterns and formations, traders can set appropriate stop-loss orders, determine risk-to-reward ratios, and implement position sizing strategies. Effective risk management is crucial to preserving capital and maximizing profits in trading. Practice and experience. Becoming proficient in price action analysis requires practice and experience. Traders should dedicate time to studying historical price charts, identifying patterns, and analyzing their outcomes. By regularly reviewing trades and journaling their observations, intermediate traders can learn from their experiences, identify strengths and weaknesses, and refine their price action analysis skills over time. Conclusion. Price action analysis is a valuable skill for intermediate traders as it allows them to make informed trading decisions based on the movement of price alone. By studying candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, trend analysis, and price patterns, traders can gain valuable insights into market dynamics and enhance their trading skills. It is important to combine price action analysis with effective risk management strategies and ongoing practice to achieve consistent profitability in the markets. With dedication and experience, traders can unlock the full potential of price action analysis and improve their overall trading performance.